He taonga te wai, water is precious. The previous government's Free Waters Reform program has been replaced by a new program. This is called Local Waters Done Well. Under these, every council must consider how they will deliver their drinking water, wastewater and stormwater services into the future. The rules have changed, so staying with the status quo will not be possible. We have three options. Firstly, keep council's water services in-house for now and review that decision in 2 years. Because we're already well positioned when it comes to water and our water debt is relatively low, this is our preferred option. The second is to join with 6 other councils to form a regional water services organisation called Waikato Waters Done Well. This would give us economies of scale and could be more efficient. The third is to create our own Taupō District Council owned and controlled water organisation. This is similar to option 1, but would provide more separation from council. Details of all these options and the projected costs are on council's website. Please go to taupo.govt.nz /haveyoursay to learn more and make a submission.